I don't know why I love you like I do. People tell me I'm crazy, and it's true. I got some stardust in my eyes along the way, completely starstruck in the middle of the day. There's a light on my pillow, it's a harvest moon tonight. The constellations write your name across the sky. The Milky Way is a glitter and a glow. It sings its love songs to us mortals here below. What can I do? What can I say? Completely starstruck in the middle of the day. I see Orion, he's watching out for me. His brother Cupid started this, you see. The man in the moon shines a moonbeam on my heart. The stars are conspiring, I've been helpless from the start. What can I do? What can I say? Completely starstruck in the middle of the day. 2 7 sisters, they call the Pleiades. I ask a question, can you help me please? Their lights are twinkling and encouragement to me. The full moon rises for lovers, wait and see. What can I do? What can I say?